There's a lot of interest, and I think has been a lot of interest in virtual cells and some way to represent cells in a computer. For me, it's always, I can't imagine anything more exciting, like genuinely. We're going to enable a lot of scientists worldwide to really accelerate their discoveries to actually tackle complex disease. My name is Silvana Konerman, and my organization is ARC Institute. Our audacious project is to build the world's first useful virtual cell. It would really change how people think about biology and how they try to answer kind of biological or also biomedical questions. The reason why it's such a big project and so ambitious is because we want to build a universal model that can work across any cell type in the body, but it can also understand how cells react to a lot of different changes that the cells might be experiencing. This would be, I think, very transformative for biology because it would allow us to access predictions also for cell types that we can't even grow in a lab. Like, we can't study them in the first place. It's not just expensive, it's just not possible. So we combine different areas of research like biology research and AI to make progress in understanding complex human disease. So complex disease is basically just a disease that has a lot of different causes. It's a product of lots of interactions of different genetic factors and lifestyle factors. And actually a lot of the diseases that, are very common are complex diseases. So heart disease or neurodegeneration, autoimmune disease, most of them are complex diseases. Success for this project looks like training a model that's going to be really accurate and also just universal, so across cell types and diseases that we can distribute to scientists worldwide. To be audacious means taking on a really risky and difficult problem and just being willing to tackle it. This support will allow us to actually reach the scale as many orders of magnitude more than what we've done so far, to build models and release them regularly so that other people can try them and we can basically see how well it works across different applications. And then, we will generate more data depending on how well the model's working so that we can fill in the gaps and make sure it's really reliable within about 4 years. Generally, our timeline is very ambitious, so this is definitely an optimistic timeline, which is, usually how we like to work. But my motivation for science has just been very intrinsic. I've been working on science since I was 15, and so I think it's very easy for me to stay motivated as long as I get to do science.